Welcome to our assembly video. I'll be showing you how to put together this 3-piece kitchen set. Welcome to our assembly video. Continue watching to learn how to put together this sink. Begin with part 3 and connect parts 4, 6, and 8 by aligning the dowels in their holes. Place part 2 on top and secure with screws. Make sure to secure the screws on part 8 too. Carefully flip the unit over and begin securing the screws on the other side. Attach your faucet to part 1 with 2 screws. Place part 1 on top of the unit and secure the screws underneath. Lay the unit on its front side and begin placing your backing piece. Use a screwdriver to secure in place with screws. Note that we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. For additional support, screw in parts N to the bottom of the unit with screws labeled O. Stand the unit upright and begin attaching your doors to the hinges with screws labeled E. Use screws labeled F to attach your handles to the doors. Turn the unit around and attach part 7 with 2 screws. Add in part 11 and that completes the assembly of your sink. Next, let's put together the stove. Begin by placing parts 4, 6, and 7 on either parts 2 or 3. Carefully place the remaining side piece on top. Secure the parts in place with screws and then carefully flip the unit over to finish screwing on the screws on the remaining side. Flip the unit upright and place part 1 on the top. Secure part 1 by screwing in the screws located underneath. Lay your unit down to slide in the backing piece. Use a screwdriver to secure with screws. No, we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. For additional support, screw in parts N to the bottom of the unit with screws labeled O. To attach your doors to the hinges on the unit, use screws labeled E. Use screws labeled F to attach your handles to your doors. Finish off your stove by attaching part 8 to the back. Lastly, we'll put together the fridge.
Hi, welcome to our assembly video. Follow along to see how to build this fun fridge.
Begin with either part 2 or 3 and connect parts 5 and 4. Place the remaining side piece on top and then secure with screws. Carefully flip the unit over and secure the other side with screws. Attach part 1 to the top of the unit. Attach part 1 to the unit by securing the screws underneath part 1. Lay the unit down and begin inserting your backing piece. Use a screwdriver to attach with screws. Note, we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. To provide extra support, attach parts N to the bottom of the unit with screws labeled O. Attach your handles to your doors with screws labeled F. Attach your doors to the hinges on the unit with screws labeled E. And this completes the assembly of your refrigerator. And this completes your 3-piece kitchen set.